Today, I am going to demo creating a story automatically from some project content. So you can see in this sample project that I have my challenge statement here, proposed solution, as well as the project title, of course, and a short project summary. I'm going to use what we're calling this magic button to draft a story using AI. So I'm going to go ahead and click this button, and you can see the application is working. And in no time at all, it's actually going to auto-generate a story using b.world's purpose story template. And at the moment, it takes about a minute or so for the story to be auto-generated. But compare that to, let's say, an hour or a couple hours worth of time that it would take otherwise. Now you could see I have an auto-generated story with a title that's auto-generated with the option to regenerate the title if I'd like to. And as I scroll down here, you can see that I have answers to each of these story prompt questions that are part of the purpose story. Also, with the option to regenerate a story answer for any or all of these questions. You can see all text here for all 6 of my prompts, including in this last prompt here related to key learnings and next steps. The AI functionality automatically generates bullet points here that are easy to scan and read with key learnings as well as next steps. At the moment, AI will get you about 80% of the way with composing all of the content that you need for a story. But there are some other functions that you can interact with in b.world stories in order to get you to 100%. We have these buttons here for image, chart, map, and video. So let's say that I want to add an image that's relevant to this portion of the content in my story. I'm going to go ahead and click image, scroll down to this SDGs image that I think is good and click save and upload. And there I go, here's my image. And as I scroll throughout the rest of my story, let's say I think it makes sense here, perhaps I want to include a map. And here I have actually mapped out different UN offices throughout the world. So I think that's appropriate here. I'm going to go ahead and insert that map. And you can see it appears right here in the story. And let's say elsewhere in my story, I think it's appropriate to include some data. I'm going to click on chart, the indicator button, and select the indicator, in this case, number of meetings and workshops organized. I have data here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that line graph, click insert chart, and there we go, it inserts it into the story. If I go ahead and click on preview here, you can see exactly what my story will look like once I publish it. And that, in a nutshell, is creating a story in b.world using AI and other functionality.